Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your first time on this channel. I would like you to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments in the comment section below. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your items on the Pindoudou app. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. Okay, right now I'm inside the Pindoudou app. So first, you have to go to your account. So this is where you can locate your account. This side, this is the side that you can locate your account. Have you seen? Where you can see that round circle with two dots that resembles an eye. So that's where you go. And first, when you make an order, it comes here. When you make an order, the payment comes here. First, the process starts from here, this side, this side. So when the payment is successfully, then it will now move to the second side, which is this one. Then from here, it's moved to this side. This is where you get your tracking number. When the items are here, you don't get the tracking number when the items are here. You only get the item when it moves to this side. This side. Have you seen? Yeah. So that's what you are going to look at right now. Okay. Okay. So let me click on the car icon that you are seeing here. So I've already ordered some item and they are on their way to the warehouse. So this is where we can locate the tracking number. So let me click on it. Okay, have you seen the items that I've ordered? About 8 of them. Have you seen? So for you to get the tracking number, you have to click on the item. When you click on the item, have you seen the side? This side. Make sure you click on this side. Have you seen this side? This arrow over here. Make sure you click on it. So I'll click on it. So when you click on it, this is where you can get your tracking number. So right now my track is located at this side. Everything. Let me show you. This is my tracking number. This one is the tracking number. And if you want to copy it, you just have to click on this one and it will be copied. So after copying the tracking number, you can now send it to your shipping agent for them to confirm that, or for them to be aware of your packages coming to the warehouse. You see, so when you send this to them, when the goods arrive at the warehouse, they will message you and tell you that, yeah, your goods have arrived at the warehouse. So this and this and this that you have to do, and you proceed with it. So as you can see here, this is the route. So that means, have you seen this one? This thing over here. This is where my supplier is living right now, and this is my Chinese warehouse. This one, this one is my Chinese warehouse. This very one. This is my Chinese warehouse. And this one, you can see that the goods have arrived at the warehouse and it has been signed. That's why you can see that tick over there, that correct tick over there. So this one shows that the item has arrived safely and it has been signed. You let me show you another example too. So let's take for instance this one. I'll click on it, and as I did the first time, I'll click on the green side. And this item hasn't arrived at the warehouse. So you see the car moving in real time towards your